what's up? My name is Dimple and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is about Nykaa haul and वैसे तो आपको मालूम ही होगा कि Nykaa पे जो है ना सेल आती जाती रहती है. Like at every occasion Nykaa comes up with some amazing offers on that site. So yeah, even this time it was the Valentine special offer that was going on Nykaa, and I desperately needed some makeup products and they were offered at a great price, and I thought, why to wait for? Let's order them. So here is a Nykaa haul where I have bought some makeup products but as well as some other miscellaneous stuff as well. And let me show you the products that I have got from Nykaa. So the first product is, it's a Maybelline New York Fit Me Poreless foundation. Maybelline comes in 18 shades to suit every Indian skin tone, and that is really great to have such a variety of shades into a single brand. So I am into the shade of 2020, and the best part is that the foundation comes with a pump, which is really easy for us to get the product out. बहुत ही ज़्यादा जो है ना मैट फिनिश देता है, एंड आई कैन फील इट्स वेरी सॉफ्ट, इट्स वेरी लाइट, विच इज़ रियली गुड. जो स्किन है वो ऑयली है, एंड फॉर मी इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू हैव a foundation which is matte based and which stays longer on my skin. I think I'm going to love this product. ये जो अगला प्रोडक्ट मैं आपको दिखाने जा रही हूँ ना, भाई साहब मैं इसकी फैन हो गई हूँ. I have heard so much, like literally so much about this product. जिसको भी देखो वो ये प्रोडक्ट यूज कर रहा था, and I was like, I need to have this product. This is the Maybelline New York Face Studio Master Chrome Metallic Highlighter. It has a lovely texture and the quantity is also great. Let me give you a quick swatch of it and look at that shine. The pigmentation is superb. I'm just in love with this Master Chrome highlighter. It's a perfect buy for me since I require such highlighters at my shows so that my skin keeps glowing till the end. And I'm just loving this product, and I'm sure you're gonna love it too. If you wanna buy it, the links will be in my description box below. अगर आपने अभी तक जो है मेरे Instagram पेज को फॉलो नहीं किया है, Instagram ID will be here somewhere. Just follow me on my Instagram. The ID is @DimpleManushali. And of course, not only that, get to hit like and subscribe to my channel in case if you're watching this channel for the very first time. This product is the Faces Canada Matte Compact SPF 20 with vitamin E and shea butter. Look at it. The packaging is really impressive. Look of the compact is really nice. I love that. The color is black. Comes with this kind of applicator. Comes with 4 shades, and I'm into the shade 2, that is the natural 2. It is a great product, especially at the price I have got this compact. It is very small, it is very handy, and plus it comes with a mirror so that आप जो है अपने आप को कहीं पे भी देख सकते हो, एंड आपका जो मेकअप है आप कहीं पे भी टचअप कर सकते हो just because you have a travel friendly mirror with you. I'm sure that this product is going to give you a very flawless matte look. The product is really nice. If you want to buy it, you can simply go ahead with that. Okay, so the next product is this mascara that I got from Maybelline. I thought that this is like 2 into volume, यानी कि मेरे lashes के volume को और ज़्यादा double करने वाला है. So let's try this one. It looks cute, doesn't it? So the black one is the Hyper Curl mascara, and the yellow one is the Colossal mascara, that is the 2 into volume. Here is a quick trial of it. Can you see the difference between this eye and this eye? This one, it actually lifted up my lashes more than this one. तो जो इसका नाम है ये वैसा ही काम करता है, which means it is a great product. This product is from the brand Sugar. Normally जो है ना हर एक product जो है ऐसे प्लास्टिक के पैकिंग में आया है, but Sugar के जो products है ना वो ऐसे पेपर रैपिंग में आया है, environment friendly packaging, which is really good. So that's a plus point to this brand. Basically this is the Contour D4 face palette. The shade is Z1 Subtle Summit, and so इसमें जो है ना तीनों आ जाता है. That is, you get your contour, you get a highlighter, and you get a blush. Now the reason behind ordering this one is because I broke my most favorite face palette.
This is the palette that I was using. This is from Faces Canada's face palette, which had their bronzer, their blush, and then their highlighter. But unfortunately मैंने इस palette को इतनी बार गिराया है ना that now I don't know, but इसका जो blush and जो highlighter है ना वो तो पूरा टूट ही गया है. Still there is contour left into this product.
आपने कभी ट्राई नहीं किया है फेसेस कैनेडा का कोई भी प्रोडक्ट, ट्रस्ट मी दे आर रियली रियली नाइस. आपको वो प्रोडक्ट भी बाय करना है, आई विल मेक श्योर टू पुट दैट लिंक इनटू द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स बिलो. सो जस्ट बिकॉज आई ब्रोक दैट पर्टिकुलर पैलेट, बट द शुगर का फेस पैलेट. सो दिस इज द सटल समिट एंड दिस इज द विविड विक्ट्री. आई गॉट बोथ द शेड्स. रीजन व्हाई आई प्रेफर पैलेट्स, फर्स्ट थिंग दे आर अफोर्डेबल. Second, they are travel friendly. There was this offer going on that if you buy anything above 999 तो आपको जो है शुगर का मिनी लिपस्टिक वर्जन फ्री मिलेगा. एंड yeah, I got that free. Let's move ahead to our beautiful eyes, and for eye I have got this Lakme instant eyeliner. It's a water resistant eyeliner. I just love that it gives a matte look. It's water resistant. इसका ब्रश पतला है, जल्दी से सूख जाता है, and it comes in 4 shades by the way, blue, green, and I think there's one more shade. So it is very much affordable, and at the price that you get, the quantity is really nice. So if you're looking out for an eyeliner, a budget friendly eyeliner but a good quality one, I think you should go ahead with the Lakme. I have been using it and I love it so much, and yeah, this is the best purchase I would say in terms of eyeliners. Talking about eyes, how can I forget the eyeshadows? Right now I haven't bought any eyeshadow palette, but I have got the Swiss Beauty का liquid eyeshadow. I can see ये जो है ना almost खत्म हो गया है. This is the shade number 2 and this is the 3 champagne. I am in love with the Swiss Beauty liquid eyeshadows. एक ही रीज़न है, नहीं आई थिंक 2 से 3 है. द फर्स्ट वन, इसका जो ये एप्लीकेटर है ये बहुत ही ईजी बना देता है इस आई शेडो को अप्लाई करने के लिए. सेकेंड, बहुत ही जल्दी ड्राई हो जाता है. लाइक यू डोंट हैव टू वेट फॉर मिनट्स एंड कीप डूइंग दिस टू योर आईज. इट जस्ट लुक्स परफेक्ट. इट गिव्स अ वेरी प्रोफेशनल लुक टू योर आईज. ऐसा लगता है कि किसी प्रोफेशनल मेकअप आर्टिस्ट ने तुम्हारा आई मेकअप किया है, ऐसा फील हो जाता है. ट्रस्ट मी, एंड इट स्टेज रियली लॉन्ग. बहुत ही बजट इफेक्टिव प्रोडक्ट है, अच्छा प्रोडक्ट है, पिगमेंटेशन बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा है. या दिस आर द रीजंस व्हाई इट मेक्स दिस प्रोडक्ट a perfect buy, and plus it comes into 12 shades. Go ahead and buy this product if you haven't yet.
It's a Biotic Bio C revitalizing anti-fatigue eye gel.
It is an eye gel. There is this one thing which I hate about this product. इसका पैकेज इतना बड़ा है, प्रोडक्ट इतना छोटा आता है. It comes into this gel formula. I don't know if this product works with the dark circles because I don't have any dark circles. So pea size amount लेना है, अपने आँखों के ऐसे नीचे लगा के ना ऐसे मसाज करना है आँखों के नीचे. अ वेरी कूलिंग इफेक्ट टू योर आईज एंड आई एम श्योर यू शुड गिव इट अ ट्राई. एटलीस्ट एक बार ट्राई करके देख लो. पसंद आया तो ठीक है, नहीं आया तो अगली बार मत ऑर्डर करना, ठीक है. सो द लिंक विल बी इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स बिलो. नाउ वी आर स्टार्टिंग विद अदर मिसलेनियस स्टफ. सो द फर्स्ट प्रोडक्ट दैट आई वांट टू शो यू इज द हिमालय स्पार्कलिंग वाइट toothpaste. Be like, Dimple, why not Colgate, and why this sparkling white वाला toothpaste is.
पूछेंगे सवाल और पूछेंगे और जोर से पूछेंगे.
तो मेरे teeth जो है बीच में बहुत ज़्यादा येलो हो जा रहे थे. Even after properly taking care of it वो येलो हो रहे थे. My friend also says it has no chemical bleach. It is the papaya and pineapple enzymes. Yellow stain that you have on your teeth, ये उसको कम कर देता है because of that particular thing. It has worked for me not only for my yellow teeth, but I had a gum problem, a gum bleeding problem. So this Colgate has even controlled that problem of mine. So I think even if you have a problem of yellow teeth or gum bleeding, I think you can go ahead with the Himalaya Sparkling White toothpaste. So the next product is the Pantene Open Hair Oil Replacement. जो है multi-purpose products ज़्यादा अच्छे लगते हैं, and this is one of them because आप जो है इसको सिर्फ सीरम की तरह ही नहीं, लेकिन you can use this as oil replacement as it says. Third, it says you can use this as a conditioner. आप जैसे अपने regular conditioner को use करते हो, you can replace your conditioner with this particular product. And the fourth, it says that is the heat protectant. I'm really upset with the quantity that I have received with the product. The price you pay, the quantity is here, but I think it's worth the price because ये आपको बहुत, आपके बालों को बहुत ज़्यादा नरिश कर देता है. I know it's little bit pricey, but I think एक बार ट्राई करना चाहते हो तो कर लेना बेटर है. प्रोडक्ट इज द निविया सॉफ्ट लाइट मॉइस्चराइजर.
इसको अप्लाई करने के बाद ना स्किन जो है बहुत ऐसी बबली सी लगती है, एकदम सॉफ्ट लगती है.
As I said, I'm an oily skin person and that's why मैं मॉइस्चराइजर से भागती थी, but that is not the way. All you need to do is to find a perfect product for yourself. So I was using this छोटा version of Nivea Soft, and the moment I started liking this product, I was like, okay, now I can buy the bigger one, and here it is. It product अगर आपने कभी यूज़ नहीं किया है कर लो. There are many moisturizers in the market. Figure it out what is best for you. For me, I am an oily skin person, but in winters my skin dries a lot, and hence this Nivea Soft is working great for me. Nivea, it is the Nivea deodorant that is the whitening sensitive. Now the best part about this deodorant is that it gives a 48 hours protection with zero alcohol and mulethi extracts, and gives you an even toned underarm. So it's a great product, smells amazing. आई एम इन लव विद दिस स्मेल. मुझे इसका स्मेल बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है, एंड इट स्टेज लॉन्ग, यू नो. सो इट्स अ thumbs up from me. And to the last product of this particular video, and that is the V Wash Intimate Hygiene. Basically it's a intimate hygiene V wash, and it maintains a pH level, which is important of course, and not only that, but it takes away the itchiness, the irritativeness, and the bad smell that you feel. It just takes away all that thing, and it is really good for your hygiene. So in case अगर आपने अभी तक इस प्रोडक्ट को बाय नहीं किया है, so trust me with this one, because I have been using this for years. I'll recommend it to you again and again till the time you buy it, right? तो आप फोर्स नहीं करूँगी, लेकिन ये बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है आपके हाइजीन के लिए. तो अगर आपको बाय करना है, लिंक जो है सिंपली नीचे है डिस्क्रिप्शन में. जस्ट क्लिक इट ऑन एंड गो अहेड एंड बाय दिस प्रोडक्ट. बिकॉज गाइज दैट्स इट फॉर द डे. वी आर डन विद दिस Nykaa haul. I hope you all loved the products that I have bought for myself. I hope you all have enjoyed watching this video with me. If yes, do hit the like button, do share this video to your friends, and do subscribe to my channel in case if you haven't टिल नाउ. तो जल्दी से सब्सक्राइब कर लो, ये वीडियो जो है अपने फ्रेंड्स को शेयर कर दो, बिकॉज अगर आपको कोई प्रोडक्ट अच्छा लगा है, मे बी उनको भी कोई प्रोडक्ट इसमें से अच्छा लगे एंड उनको भी शायद से ये प्रोडक्ट्स बाय करने हो. सो जस्ट शेयर दिस वीडियो विद योर फ्रेंड्स, एंड दैट्स इट गाइज. विल सी यू सून इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो. टिल दैट कीप स्माइलिंग, कीप शॉपिंग, एंड बाय बाय. विल सी यू सून इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो.